Hey guys, Steve Jurek here. I'm gonna do a little bit of a different FPV video for you guys. It's 4th of July, so happy 4th. And so I thought I'd just come here in the backyard and show you my latest little adventure. I got the Joshua Bardwell QAV-S 5-inch drone. It's a self-build kit. Comes with the motors and everything in boxes and the frame. You have to assemble it all. Comes in a nice carrying case and stuff, and it's surprisingly easy to build. I've never built a drone from scratch. Usually I just order them and then put a battery on them. But this took about 2 hours. You do need some soldering skill and some things like that, but yeah, it was very enjoyable to put together, and I really didn't know what to expect, being that it's a drone that has a raw flight controller that doesn't have anything on it, meaning if you have to basically go out to Betaflight and configure everything from scratch. He does give you a lot of instructions on some YouTube videos, which are very helpful, but so I was a little hesitant on that because I'm not a Betaflight master by any means, but yeah, it's after playing around with it, I'd say 2 hours to build it and about another 30 minutes or so to get some good configs on it, to where I think are good configs. And I'm about to show you some flight stuff in the backyard, just non-goggle, just line of sight. But anyway, just wanted to show you the new little machine here and see what you think of it, and maybe you might want to pick one up yourselves. So given that it is 4th of July, I decided to put it on the cooker, and let's see if it's done yet. Yep, she looks done. I'd say she's done. So there she is. It's a purple, as you can tell. But, nice little frame. The GoPro mount I had to order separately. I can put a link down in the description if you want to look at them. They basically make custom printed stuff for quads and stuff. But I do like the purple. It's came out nice. Let's see if we can close this. Put it on the barbecue stand. So the only thing I really did differently is I did wrap the arms with some fabric tape. Excuse me. I do that to all the quads just to keep the wires out of the way. But yeah, she's a fun little bird here. So let me cut to the flight video in the yard and see what you guys think. It's very quiet on the ground and very stable. Usually I notice that a lot of these guys jump around and stuff. Even when you power them up, he just sits there until it's time to go. So let's lift off and see what we got. It's very smooth. This is an angle mode. This well-performing quad. Really happy with it. Let's try not to hit ourselves here. Alright, so I'm gonna go to acro. It's a lot more touchy. This is my tune. So this is actually running 80% throttle right here. So it's quite powerful. Do some rolls for you. Double Indy. So here's an idea of what it sounds like when it takes off. Full throttle. Again, 80% throttle, 80% throttle, and I'm gonna do 100% throttle on it. I don't know what that, if you know what that means, but in Betaflight it's cut down to 80%. Let's just say that. Here we go. There she goes. So it screams a little bit. So it's definitely got power. This is a 6-cell battery, of course. I have to soften up that throttle. It's a little too touchy for me. With the acro settings, the rates are about 670 right now, so that's enough for me. Not super fast, but it's like I said, fast enough for me. I do that every time. My my angle mode is so cut down that it drops every time I do that. But all right, so there you have it. Greetings again, and welcome aboard the Starship QAV-S, Joshua Bardwell style. So I decided to go ahead and do some goggle stuff around the yard while we're at it. So nothing special, just take you around the old yard again. So let's prepare this up and get us going. Just checking to make sure the power wires and the balance plug aren't going to get in the way of the prop. I've already chopped through the the negative wire once. I'm going to have to figure out a new way to mount the charge leads, I think, because they're definitely close. But as long as I don't do anything crazy, don't think they're gonna go anywhere, so alright. Let's see what happens. Oh, incidentally, while we're talking about stuff, I don't know if you can see this pretty well, but I got the new iFlight Crystal goggles here, and the accompanying stubbies, left-hand polarized. But this is supposed to give you better distance. I don't know if I really noticed a lot of difference on it, but anyway, just thought I'd try these out too, so should be fun. Goggles are terribly dirty. It's a professional way to clean your goggles right now. You're not seeing this. I just cleaned it with my shirt. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, we got video. These pants don't have any pockets. Alright, here we go. So that was an interesting little flight. Still got a lot of tweaks to do with it. I did some angle in the beginning, and then some horizon with the same rates as acro. Horizon's very stable, so is angle. Acro's just acro. It's just, you know, it is what it is. The rates at 670 seem to be pretty good. I can't handle any more spinning faster than that. I gave you some full stick spins in the backyard just towards the end of the video. So anyway, it's oh, by the way, me bouncing at the end, I was putting it back in the angle, and my throttle is set to, like, you know, in Betaflight it's set to 50%, plus the expo on it's ridiculous. So when I come down off of a higher rate, it just puts me in the ground every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise angle all the way up to I think 80% Betaflight throttle, so I can have consistency between the modes. I do I make it to where my different modes, I do mode switching, what's it called, automatic rate selection in Betaflight, so that the different rate profiles will correspond to whatever mode I'm running, whether it's angle, horizon, or acro. So still getting used to all that. It's a new quad to me, but I mean, I didn't wreck it. Came close in the trees over here, but yeah, overall I'm happy with it. It's nice, man. I would recommend picking one up, and if you've never built one before, it's a great build. I mean, like I said, it only took a couple hours, so you know, then you just get most of the time configuring it. But yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been fun making it. I'll try and do some more review-ish type stuff rather than just flying it in the backyard or wherever. So I think we're gonna take it to the local park and do some flying around there and see what we can get. So if we do, I'll include that footage too. All right, talk to y'all later. Over and fly again.
Fly, oh man.
Yeah, so you just drop straight down.
Yeah.
That's why you're getting hot. Just put it right here.
So if it just sits without flying with the battery plugged in, it's not good?
Oh yeah, it's heating up.
Yeah.
cut.
Nice. You need to push this.
Once.